All right, guys. So our um, plan for this week is we're going to be working on solving equations. Now, if you were here like that last week before all chaos happened and we were all forced to be at home, we did a little bit about this, but not a lot. So maybe you'll recognize some things, maybe you won't, and that's okay. Okay. So before we get started, the key thing that I want to think about is this main question, which you've seen this a lot. Oops. The question is, what does equals mean? One of the most common things I hear is that it is the answer, right? Because all the time you hear, oh, equals means answer, right? 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 is the answer, which is the case a lot of the time. But actually, what equals means is that you have one thing over here on one side of the equals that's going to be the same as what's on the other side of the equals. Okay? So here I have my first problem. Bear with me. It's pretty tricky. Let's say I have 4 plus 10 equals 2 plus 12. Okay? Is that actually equal? Can I say that 4 plus 10 is the same as 2 plus 12? Okay? Let's take a look. 4 plus 10 is 14. 2 plus 12 is 14. So I have that, oops, which equations are 2? I have that 14 equals 14, which last I checked, 14 is actually the same as 14, right? So I'm going to give myself a little smiley face and say, yes, those are the same. Congratulations, we just did something. Let's try our next one. 7 minus 4 equals 5 minus 3, okay? I'm just going to check and see, is that actually true? We're just trying to figure out, can I put an equal sign there or do I need to put something else? 7 minus 4, I'm going to get a 3, and 5 minus 3, I get a 2. So I would get 3 equals 2. Huzzah! Those are not the same. If you're not sure if they're the same, try asking your 7-year-old brother. They might know. Round face, they're not the same. So I actually can't say those are equal because they're not the same. And last one. 9 minus 6, is that the same as 3 plus 3? I think 9 minus 6 is 3, last I checked. And 3 plus 3 is 6, so let's check to see if those are the same. Here I have 3 equals 6. Those are not the same. Give my face a frown face. Okay, so you'll have a few questions below. I just want you to check to see which ones are the same and which ones are not. So if they're the same, just give it a checkbox and then go on to the next screen. Stop recording. Awkward. Stop.